Hey everyone, Jamie Oliver here. Today, we're diving into the heart of Cambodian cuisine with a dish that's as vibrant and flavorful as the country itself, Khmer bouillabaisse. Now you might be thinking, bouillabaisse? Isn't that French? And you'd be right. But this, my friends, is where the magic of culinary fusion comes in. Khmer bouillabaisse takes inspiration from its French cousin, but infuses it with a unique Cambodian twist, resulting in a symphony of flavors that'll have your taste buds singing. Get ready to embark on a culinary adventure as we unlock the secrets of this captivating dish. Cambodia is a country rich in history, culture, and culinary traditions. Its markets are a feast for the senses, with an array of fresh produce, aromatic spices, and exotic ingredients. Walking through these bustling markets, you can truly appreciate the diversity and vibrancy of Cambodian cuisine. It's here that the inspiration for Khmer bouillabaisse begins, with local chefs selecting the finest ingredients to create a dish that is both familiar and exotic. Traditional French bouillabaisse is a seafood stew that originated in the port city of Marseille. It's a dish that brings together a variety of fish and shellfish, simmered in a broth made with tomatoes, onions, garlic, and a blend of Provençal herbs. The result is a rich and flavorful stew that has become a staple of French cuisine. But what happens when this classic dish meets the bold and vibrant flavors of Cambodia? The answer is Khmer bouillabaisse, a dish that marries the best of both worlds. Cambodian chefs take the traditional French recipe and add their own unique twist, incorporating local ingredients and spices to create a dish that is truly one of a kind. Imagine the rich, savory broth of a French bouillabaisse, but with the added depth and complexity of Cambodian flavors. It's a fusion that is both surprising and delightful. Khmer bouillabaisse is a feast for the eyes as well as the palate. The dish is often garnished with fresh herbs, lime wedges, and chili peppers, adding a burst of color and flavor. Each bite is a journey through the rich culinary landscape of Cambodia, with layers of flavor that unfold with every taste. It's a dish that celebrates the art of fusion cuisine, bringing together the best of French and Cambodian culinary traditions. So join me as we explore the world of Khmer bouillabaisse, a dish that is as captivating as the country it comes from. We'll learn about the ingredients, the techniques, and the stories behind this incredible fusion dish. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook looking to try something new, Khmer bouillabaisse is sure to inspire and delight. Let's get cooking and discover the magic of Cambodian cuisine together. Picture this: Cambodia in the 19th century, under French influence. The streets of Phnom Penh were bustling with a mix of traditional Khmer culture and the new French colonial presence. The architecture began to reflect this blend, with French-style buildings standing alongside ancient temples. The markets were vibrant, filled with the sounds of vendors selling their goods, and the rich aromas of local spices and herbs. It was a time of significant change and cultural exchange. French cuisine began to mingle with local Cambodian ingredients and cooking styles, leading to a culinary revolution. French chefs, intrigued by the exotic flavors and ingredients they found in the local markets, started experimenting. They combined their traditional techniques with the unique elements of Cambodian cuisine. This fusion was not just about food, It was a symbol of the blending of two cultures, each bringing something new to the table, creating a beautiful culinary fusion. Dishes that were once purely French or purely Cambodian began to take on new forms. Imagine a rustic table set with dishes that tell a story of cultural harmony. The traditional Khmer kitchen, with its clay pots and open flames, now also featured French copper pans and delicate herbs like thyme and rosemary. This was more than just cooking, it was an art form, a dance of flavors and techniques. Khmer bouillabaisse emerged from this melting pot of flavors, showcasing the adaptability of Cambodian cuisine and its ability to embrace new influences. This dish, a perfect blend of French and Cambodian elements, became a symbol of this culinary marriage. The rich, aromatic broth, infused with local spices and herbs, was a testament to the ingenuity of Cambodian chefs. They took a classic French dish and made it their own, creating something entirely new and exciting. This dish is a testament to Cambodia's rich history and the ingenuity of its people in creating something truly special. It tells the story of a nation that has always been open to new ideas and influences, yet deeply rooted in its own traditions. The markets, the family meals, the old cooking methods, all these elements come together in a bowl of Khmer bouillabaisse. It's a dish that speaks of the past, the present, and the future. It's a reminder that food is more than just sustenance. It's a connection to our heritage and a bridge to other cultures. When chefs cook together, they share more than just recipes. They share stories, traditions, and a piece of their soul. Families eating together in a traditional setting are not just sharing a meal. They are passing down history and creating memories. The bustling markets, with their vibrant energy, are a microcosm of the cultural exchange that defines Cambodia. It's a reflection of culture, history, and the art of bringing people together. Food festivals where people come together to celebrate and share their culinary heritage are a testament to this. The close-up of people sharing a meal shows the joy and connection that food brings. Historical photos of Cambodian celebrations with food remind us that this tradition of coming together over a meal has always been a part of Cambodian culture. In every bite of Khmer bouillabaisse, you can taste the history, the culture, and the love that has gone into creating this unique dish. All right, let's gather our ingredients. This is where the magic begins, and every great dish starts with the right components. For this flavor-packed adventure, you'll need a variety of fresh and vibrant ingredients that will bring our dish to life. Each element plays a crucial role in creating a symphony of flavors. Fresh seafood like fish fillets, prawns, mussels, and squid. These ocean treasures will provide the rich, savory base for our dish. Make sure they are as fresh as possible to capture the essence of the sea. Lemongrass, galangal, and kaffir lime leaves for that aromatic punch. These ingredients are the heart of many Southeast Asian dishes, offering a unique blend of citrusy and earthy notes that will elevate our recipe. Coconut milk for a creamy tropical touch. This ingredient adds a luscious texture and a subtle sweetness that balances the bold flavors of our spices and herbs. Fish sauce and lime juice for that essential salty and sour balance. Fish sauce brings a deep umami flavor, while lime juice adds a refreshing tanginess that brightens the dish. Chili peppers for a touch of heat, adjust to your liking. Whether you prefer a mild warmth or a fiery kick, chilies are essential for adding that extra layer of excitement to our dish. Vegetables like tomatoes, onions, and garlic to add depth and sweetness. These staples provide a robust foundation, enhancing the overall complexity and richness of the flavors. And of course, don't forget the herbs, coriander, basil, and mint to garnish and elevate the flavors. These fresh herbs add a burst of color and a fragrant finish that ties everything together beautifully. Remember, fresh, high-quality ingredients are key to unlocking the true potential of this dish. The quality of your ingredients can make or break the final outcome, so take the time to select the best produce available. Happy cooking! The heart and soul of any good bouillabaisse lie in its broth, and the Khmer version is no exception. Start by gently sautéing chopped lemongrass, galangal, and kaffir lime leaves in a large pot. Add diced tomatoes, onions, and garlic, letting them soften and release their sweetness. Pour in water or fish stock, bringing it to a simmer to allow the flavors to meld and deepen. This fragrant broth will form the base for our seafood symphony. Section 5. Building Flavor Aromatic Dance. Now let's infuse our broth with those signature Cambodian flavors. Add chunks of fresh ginger, turmeric root, and a few bird's eye chilies, or more if you like it hot. These aromatics will infuse the broth with warmth, depth, and a touch of heat. Allow the broth to simmer gently, allowing the flavors to develop and intensify. Section 6. The Sea's Embrace. Seafood Symphony. It's time to introduce the stars of the show, our fresh seafood. Add your chosen seafood to the simmering broth, starting with those that require longer cooking times like fish fillets. Then, add prawns, mussels, and squid towards the end, ensuring they cook through without becoming rubbery. The key is to cook the seafood until just opaque and tender, preserving its natural sweetness and delicate texture. Section 7. The Art of Balanced Seasoning. Now comes the crucial part, seasoning. Khmer cuisine is all about balancing salty, sweet, sour, and spicy flavors. Add fish sauce for that umami richness, a squeeze of lime juice for tanginess, and a touch of sugar to round out the flavors. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed, aiming for a harmonious blend that excites the palate. Section 8. Presentation and savoring, a feast for the senses. Ladle the steaming bouillabaisse into bowls, ensuring each serving gets a generous portion of seafood and broth. Garnish with fresh coriander, basil, and mint leaves for a final burst of freshness and aroma. Serve your Khmer bouillabaisse with steamed rice to soak up all that delicious broth. And there you have it, a culinary masterpiece that's sure to impress. Section 9, a culinary adventure awaits. So there you have it, your very own taste of Cambodia. Khmer bouillabaisse is more than just a dish. It's a culinary adventure that transports you to the heart of Cambodian cuisine. Don't be afraid to experiment with different seafood combinations. Adjust the spice level to your liking and make this recipe your own. So go on, gather your ingredients, put on your chef's hat, and embark on this flavorful journey. You won't regret it.